How's it going, everybody? I just came out to the greenhouse to do some watering, and I found that I've got a leaky hose. It's from the stress of the hose laying on the ground here in a bad position. It's compromised the fitting. You might want to just run out and get a new hose, but there's other options out there. They cost just a couple bucks instead of 20, 30 bucks for a decent hose. So we're going to replace this fitting and save ourselves, a whole bunch of money. So this is a quick and easy fix. Just about anywhere, just about any hardware store sells these hose fitting replacement kits, and we're just going to lop off the hose, put this barb on, clamp it down, and we'll be good to go. It's easiest if you slide your hose clamp on first. This is a 5/8 hose, so I'm using a 5/8 repair. Slides right in. You just gotta crank this down a little bit. There's my nut driver somewhere. Of course. Why would I have brought it with me? All right. So you can use a flathead screwdriver on these, but when I can, I prefer to use a nut driver because it gives you a better grip on the nut. If you're using a flathead screwdriver and you see the way that I'm holding this, I'm sure I could hold it a different way, but this seems to be the best way to hold the hose. But with the screwdriver, I could easily slip off and stab my hand. You just want to crank that down as good as you can. Take a rubber washer. And now the test. Boom. Fixed. Costs about $2. Hope this helps you out.